Good evening and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Today the main feature on our satellite image is a well-developed cold front to the west of the country. Considering it's February month, this is quite a rare sight. This cold front will move in overnight. In the meantime, thunderstorms are active over the Karoo areas and storms are now also encroaching upon the Eastern Cape coastline, while there's isolated storms developing over the Western Free State and also along the Eastern Escarpment. There's a 60% chance of thunder showers over the central parts of the Northern Cape down to the Eastern Cape coastline tonight. Isolated storms along the Eastern Escarpment and on the highveld of Mpumalanga, and there's a 60% chance of rain in the southwestern Cape before spreading up the west coast overnight. So in Cape Town we're expecting cloudy conditions with light rain mainly after 8 o'clock, much of the rainfall occurring closer to midnight, and tomorrow morning a low of 16 degrees. As the cold front moves eastwards, we're expecting it to bring a brief period of rain for the west coast and adjacent interior, but showers will clear early tomorrow morning. This is at 5 o'clock with partly cloudy skies returning to the southwest coast. Thunderstorms remain active throughout this evening over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape and Eastern Cape as well. Tomorrow afternoon, stormy weather is likely over much of the Eastern Cape and later also the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, while isolated storms are likely on the highveld and in Gauteng as well. The wind forecast for the next 24 hours shows winds moderating over the western parts. Northwesterlies today become southwesterly and southerly tomorrow along the west coast, and strong at times, especially for the Northern Cape coastline. Light winds for the interior of South Africa, strong northeasterlies along the east coast, and southwesterlies reach 30 to 40 kilometers per hour along the Eastern Cape coastline tomorrow afternoon. Morning temperatures affected by the passage of the front: 11 degrees in Sutherland, 16 in Cape Town and George, but it's still warm along the east coast with a low of 21 in East London and 23 degrees in Durban, while Johannesburg drops to a low of 16. Daytime temperatures will be high over KZN with a maximum of 33 in Pietermaritzburg, 31 degrees in Durban. In the Free State, upper 20s, Bloemfontein at a high of 29, and we can see the influence of the cold front as far inland as the R and Uppington, where maximums will be below 30 degrees. In Cape Town, a high of 23 and 21 degrees for George. By Sunday, no rain expected in Gauteng. It's still hot over the northern parts of South Africa and temperatures recover in the west. Thunder showers over the western parts with rain in KZN. And on Monday, hot weather returns to the Cape provinces together with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your weekend.